Okay. Yes, and I will take this slideshow so you can see in the full screen. 1 second. Okay. We have studied this. What is intrinsic and extrinsic semiconductors? About doping and all we have already studied. Yes. Then
Yes,
we
sir.
have studied about what is p-type and what is n-type semiconductor. We have studied this also, diodes, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes. We have studied diodes. We have studied the symbol of this diode, and we have studied what is p-n junction, and we are also studied what is this depletion layer. These are topics we have studied in the last class, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now we want to study about what is forward biasing and reverse biasing. Okay, clear? Uh, just read
Yes, sir.
this. Read this.
Bias and reverse bias.
Yes. Then I will say what is forward bias. Forward bias, it is very simple. Look here, we are connecting. This is a positive of the battery. Okay. Positive of the battery will be having a, this is a symbol of battery. First thing. Okay. We indicate battery like this. Is clear? Okay. Here, look here. This is one, there is a big line. There is a small line, big line, small line. This like we will represent the battery. And this big line means it is positive. Small line means it is negative. Clear? Yeah, is it
Yes,
clear?
sir.
Yes, yes. Look here, this is a forward bias. In forward bias, the positive of the battery is connected to P side. Also, negative of the battery is connected to N side. It is clear, forward bias? Clear, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes. Now look the reverse bias. In reverse bias, the negative of the battery connected to P side and the positive connected to N side. Okay, is clear, right? Any doubts? Do you have any doubts?
No, sir. One step, please.
Yes, I will tell one more time. Look here. This is a positive of the battery. When we connect positive of the battery to P side of the diode and negative to the N side of diode. Positive to positive, negative to N side. Okay, simple. That is forward bias. Okay. If you connect in the opposite direction, that is, look here. Here we connect, this is negative. Negative to P side and positive to N side. Okay, just opposite. Then it is known as reverse bias. Now you read this, then it will be very clear.
Okay, sir. Forward bias. Connect positive of the diode to positive of supply, negative of diode to negative of supply.
Yes, reverse bias also. Yes, yes, read.
Reverse bias. Connect positive of the diode to negative of supply, negative of diode to positive of supply.
Yes. Do yes, you understand this? Any doubts? Any doubt?
No doubt, sir.
Okay, okay. Now let's move on. Okay, next slide we can go. Second. Yes. Yes. Now you want to study about what are the characteristics of a diode. Okay. Characteristics of diode. Clear? We are
Yes, sir.
studying what are the characteristics of diode. Okay. Now what are the characteristics means? First thing you want to study is diode will be always conduct in one direction. That means I told here, this is the symbol of a diode. Okay, this triangle indicate this current will be passing in this direction from left to right. The some diode it will be from right to left. What the important point that you need to learn is diode will always conduct current in one direction only. Clear? Only in one direction, either left to right or right to left, like that. Okay, diode always conduct in one direction. Clear? That point is clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes. Then we always, what we will do means, we will always connect this as forward bias. We have studied what is forward bias and reverse bias. We always, generally we connect diode in forward bias. Forward bias means it will conduct current and it will have zero resistance. It is not having any resistance. Okay, it will conduct current. Okay, and it's opposite. Look here, if we connect in the reverse bias we have studied. This is reverse bias. When we connect a diode in the reverse bias, then it will be having high resistance and current will not pass. Okay, it is clear. Now read that. Then it will
Sir,
be
I have one doubt.
yes. Ask.
Sir, now you told forward bias and the reverse bias. No, sir, what is bias?
Yes. Biasing means just connecting. Look here, I told forward bias means connecting positive of the battery to P side of the diode and negative of the battery to N side of the diode. That connection, just connection is known as bias. That's only. If you connect
Okay,
this
sir.
like, then it is known as forward bias. If you connect like this, means it is known as negative bias. That's much only. Okay, clear?
Okay, sir.
Yes, we always connect, generally we will connect diodes in the forward bias only. When we connect in the forward bias, it will be having zero resistance. Okay, then zero resistance means it will conduct current. Okay, just opposite to that, if you connect in the reverse bias means it will be having large resistance. Okay, don't worry by here reading this term infinite. That we will study later. It will be having large resistance. Large resistance means current will not pass through them. Then you read this, then it will be very clear.
Okay, sir. Diode always conduct in one direction. Diodes always conduct current when forward biased, zero resistance. Diodes do not conduct when reverse bias, infinite resistance.
Yes. Now it is clear. Any doubts? Do you have any doubts?
No, sir, no doubts, sir.
Okay. Now this come to end of that presentation. Now we can do Tinkercad some exercise of diode. Okay, I'll share my screen. 1 second. I'll stop this share first and I'll share my screen. 1 second. Okay. 1 second. I'm sharing my screen. 1 second. It's loading it. 1 second. Yes. 1 second. Yes, my screen is visible now.
Yes, sir.
Okay. 1 second. Oh, 1 second. On some issues, I'll share one more time. Okay. Now I will take Tinkercad. I have taken the Tinkercad. Okay. 1 second, it is loading. Yes. Now I click on this Tinkercad. It is loading. Yes. Now I will click on this circuits. Have you done the previous examples on Tinkercad? Have you done
Yes,
that?
sir.
Yes. Okay. Yes, I will click on the circuits. Now I will click on create new circuit. It is coming. It's loading. It will come now. 1 second, you can wait. Yes, it has come. Okay. Now today we can do exercise using what we can say a diode. Okay, we have studied about diode in this class, right? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, now we can do exercise using diode. First, you can search diode in the right side. Okay, here it comes. This is a diode. Look here, when you type diode, our LED has also come. Okay, this LED, no, LED is also a diode. Okay, and the full form of LED is light emitting diode. Is clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes. This our LED is also a diode. That also you want to know. Okay. Now, first we can do some exercise. Okay, using this diode. Okay. Before that, have you heard about breadboard? Have you heard about breadboard? Have you heard about this one, breadboard?
Yes, sir.
Have you heard? Do you know how this? Do you know anything about this breadboard, or have you seen this?
No, sir.
No, you have not seen. Okay, then I will explain what is a breadboard first. Okay, yes, this breadboard. Okay, this we are using for some making connections. Okay, that you will want to know. I will show that now. Okay, look here. Here you can see there is a negative. Okay, here you can see that this negative part, here the connection is in like this from left to right. Look here, when you, that means when you give a negative, when you connect negative of the battery to this point, okay, then you can you will place some components in this side. Okay, you can take the negative from this side and a positive also, like that. Look here, when you can connect a positive of the battery to this point. Okay, if you connect just any point in this, okay, and you connect to any one of the point, then you can take another positive from any one place in this line. Okay, first do you understand this? Then only we can move forward.
Yes, sir. It must.
Yes, that means this negative, when you, that means I will show you that, then only it will be very clear. First we can take a battery. Okay, I am taking a battery. I am taking a small battery. Okay, yeah, 1.5 volt battery. Okay, I am taking that and placing it here. Okay, now I am drawing a wire. Okay, positive always we will okay, I am drawing this positive. Okay, okay, this positive I am connecting it to this side. I can connect it to any point in this line. Okay, this positive line anywhere I can connect. For example, I connect to this side. Okay, and this negative, okay, I am connecting to is anywhere in this line, this negative line. Is clear? Okay, this line. Okay, anywhere I can connect. So I connect to this side. Okay, then what is happening, because this breadboard has a connection, this there is a connection this line, so that when you connect negative here, this will go through the straight line. It will come from these all points, there will be negative. So if you connect the negative to this point, means then that negative will be coming to all these points, means this line only. Okay, it is clear? This line, all the point will be negative, all the point in this line will be negative. And when you count this positive, I have counted this point, then this all the point in this line. Okay, this line will be positive. Clear? That is clear? Any doubt?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay, now what we will do means we will place some components in this direction. Here the connection is like this. That means, look here, here it is connected like this, up to down. Look, here the connection is like this. That means if you place something here, if you connect a positive to this side, means that positive will be we can take that positive, or this that positive will be available along this line. Okay, this 26 line, look here, here it is 26. This line will have no connection with the 27. Okay, 27 means this line will be have connection with this line, this line, this point, like that only. But this point, this 27, this will have no connection with the 26, no connection with the 25, no connection with 28, 29, like that. Okay, it will have a connection only in the up to down direction. Is clear now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now what we can do is we can do some exercise using our this diode. Okay, first I am taking this diode. Second, I am taking this diode and I am placing it here. Okay, I am placing it here. Okay, now what I am doing is instead of battery, I am using there is a DC power source. We have studied about DC and AC in the first class. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes. I am taking a DC power source. I will show that just when you search power, just you search this power means this battery and all will come. And when you go down, you can see this is a power supply. Yes, you can see this is a power supply, like a battery only. Okay, this is similar to battery only. Clear? This is another type of battery simply. Okay, this is a battery only. Okay, that is a power supply.
Yes.
Okay, yes. Now we can make some connections. Okay, now before going what in this exercise what we are doing is we are making some connections and we are measuring the current and voltage. Okay, have you studied about the multimeter? We have studied, I think, right? Last class we have studied about multimeters. Do you remember multimeter?
Multimeter is detailed for me, sir.
Okay, I will tell that. Okay, first you can search multimeter here. MULTIS. This is a multimeter. Okay, we have studied this multimeter. Okay, I have told that multimeter means that can measure many things. Okay, this same thing can measure current, voltage, resistance. Okay, that is clear. Means generally what we will use means for measuring current we will be having ammeter. Okay, for measuring voltage we will be having voltmeter. For measuring resistance we will be having ohm meter. So instead of having these three devices, this is a this multimeter means in this one multimeter we can measure current, voltage, and resistance. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now in Tinkercad, how you can select means generally this will be in voltage. Okay. If you want to change this means just click here and select it to. If you want to measure current means click on amperage. Okay. You can see here now A is in the black color. Here V is in the black color. That means here it will measure voltage. Like that, if you want to measure say resistance means just click here and place resistance. Now our R is measuring so that it is showing resistance. We only want this to measure current and voltage. This will measure voltage and this voltmeter will measure voltage. This voltmeter will measure this current. Okay, it is clear. This much,
Yes, sir.
yes, this much it is clear. Okay. Now, what you want to do is I will show you some connections. You have to do the connection similarly. Then, okay, same manner you can do the connection. Okay, I will show you that. 1 second. Okay. Yes. This red one, have you seen? Okay, this point is a positive of our power source, and this is the negative of our power source. Okay, how to make connection now that I will say. Okay, same way you have to make the connection. Okay, then only you can get the correct reading. Okay, I'll show you that one how to make. So another thing that we need is a volt is a resistor. We have already studied about resistors. Do you remember resistor?
Yes, sir.
Yes. We have studied about resistor. Another one thing that we required for today's class is resistor. Okay, I am once again. Okay, I am taking this resistance and I want to rotate that resistance. Okay, I am just bringing it here. Now I want to rotate that thing. Okay, here is a symbol for rotation. Okay, one second, just go on. One second. I just first I will place it like here. Okay. Now I go to this side and I will rotate. Look here, it is rotating, right? Yes. I rotate it like this. Okay. Now I am placing this on this line. Okay. Clear? This line. Okay. I am placing it here. One end at the 7 and other end at the 11. Okay. I am placing it like that. This much it is clear.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. Now we want to make the connections. Okay. First, what we want to do is first from the what we can say. This is I already told this is positive. This pose from this positive, I am connecting into the this side. Okay. Okay, then what is happened because I will say that okay. Now I want to change the color to say red. Okay, positive always we represent red. Okay, I told that I am connecting the positive from power source the positive to this point. Okay, then as I told this side the connection is this like okay, it is like a straight line this up to down. So this positive will this current will go through this total through this line. Okay, we have resistance one terminal here. So this positive will go to this side. It is clear that in doubts? How
No,
this
sir. No doubt.
yes, yes. Our this positive will go to the this is we have not directly connected to the terminal one, but we have connected to one point in the terminal. Since this have already connections are there, so that if you connect to any one point in this, instead of this, if I connect it to say, if I am connecting it to this point, okay, last one point. If I connect this also, our circuit will be correct. Why? Because look here, this is a straight line. Here there is a wire connection in this direction, so that positive will come to this point first, then it will go to here to our resistor. Okay, it is clear. You can take this positive and place it here, here, here or here, anywhere as you like. Okay, but you should not place it here or here, then it will be a problem. Okay, in this line you can place it anywhere. Okay, this much it is clear.
Yes, sir.
Okay, yes. Now what we can do is first positive I have connected to this side. Okay, now I want to connect this positive. Okay, that means of the ammeter. That means I will change this list like we will place ammeter first, then we will place voltmeter. Okay, clear? Yes. What we will do is I am taking the positive, okay, positive of my this ammeter, and I am connecting into the terminal 2. Okay, this line I can place it here, here, or even here. Okay, anywhere I can place, no problem. You can directly connect it, that also no problem, or I place it here simply. Since this positive will come throughout this line, it will go to terminal 2 also. This method is clear. Any doubts?
No doubt, sir.
Okay, okay. Now from this voltmeter, we will connect to the this side this end anode end of the our this diode. Our diode is the main component in this. Okay, this first we have connected a positive of the power source to terminal 1 of our resistor. Now this to the terminal 2 I have connected this ammeter. Now the voltmeters this positive part I have connected to the anode. Anode means positive of the our this one. Anode is positive and cathode is negative of this our diode. This much it is clear. Any doubts?
Yes, sir.
Clear, right? Okay. Now we want to connect the negatives. Okay. Look here, we have connected only the positives now. Okay. Okay. Now we want to connect this negative, and this negative. Negatives and all we want to connect. Okay. Yes, now what we will do is this negatives and all we will connect to the what we can say negatives we will connect to one straight line. Okay, I'll show you that how we will connect that. Okay, look here, this is the negative of the our power source. Okay, I am connecting it to this point. Okay, negative we will give black color. Okay, I'm giving black color. Okay, negative I have connected to this point. Every negative we will connect to this line. Okay, how means I'll show you this. This is the cathode of our diode, that is negative. This negative also I am connecting it to this line. Okay, that connection is over. Then next I want to connect negative of this line. Okay, this line also I am connecting into one point here. Okay, this much it is clear. Any doubts? It is clear, right? Okay, now we have not connected the negative of our ammeter. Okay, we will connect the negative of our ammeter. I'll show you how to connect that to this point. Okay, yes, negative I have connected to this point. Okay, yes, okay, now our connection is completed. Clear? This is our connection. Okay, any doubts?
No doubts, sir.
Okay, you can take the Tinkercad, then you can do the connection like this. Okay, and after making this connection, what you want to do is you will click on the start simulation. Okay, now I will show you what is happening. Okay, now what is here you can see there is a dial here. Okay, look here, this is our voltage source. When I change this, look here, when I rotate this, okay, this is voltage, this is current. Okay, when I here it is 0 volt. Look here, 0. When it is 0 voltage means there will be 0 current. Here also reading is 0. Here also reading is 0. Okay, clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now, what we are doing is we are making a table. Okay. How you should make a table. Okay, that is your work. Okay. How you should make a table means first you should take the reading at 0. Now I will take it to say some 1.4 volt. You when it is 1.4 volt, you should take the reading of this ammeter and this voltmeter. You should write it in a table. Okay, when it is 1.4, the ammeter reading is 869 mu ampere. Mu means microampere. You just write like this. Okay, and this voltmeter is 531 MV. Okay, like this you write in a book notebook. Okay, this is for 1.4 volt. Now we will change it to 2.4. Okay, now the reading will change to 1.85 microampere and to 551 microvolt. This much it is clear. Like this, what you want to do is you have to first make this connection. Okay, in your Tinkercad. Okay, then you want to take the reading. Okay, like this you can take any values. Okay, yes, now what you can do is you can share your screen. I will tell you how to connect. Okay, clear?
Okay, sir.
Yes, now from the laptop you can share your screen. I'll stop my share. Okay, now you can share.
Sir, it came.
Yes. Take the Chrome and Google Chrome and go to that Tinkercad. Okay. Yes. I will share my screen. So in phone you can see that and you can make the connection. Okay, my screen is seeing, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes, yes. Now
Black, sir.
black. 1 second, 1 second. Is it seeing? 1 second, 1 second. I will share that. Yeah, my in phone, in your phone, you can see my screen now, right? Is it seeing?
It's black and it's not coming, sir.
Not coming. Okay, okay. Then I will. I'll stop that. Okay. I'll stop my share. Okay. Yes. Yeah. You have taken your yes. You can take a breadboard. I will tell that. Then you can make the connection like that. Okay. Yeah. Just click the. Just to click one click. Yeah. Just yes, yes. It is coming. It is coming. Just yes, yes. First take all the components. Okay. It will come. It will come. 1 second. Yes. You can place it to the center. Okay. Now take all the components required. We want a resistor, everything you want to take. Yes, a resistor you can take. Yes. Yes, 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 like that, like that. Yes. You can place it anywhere between the yes, 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 correct only. Yes. Okay. Now what you want? Another component. You want a power source. Just search power. Yes, that is it. Correct. Yes. One more we need. Okay. Yes, yes. Now what you want to do is first one click the no yes yes click that and change it to ampere. Yes, first one yes yes that second one not need to change. Okay, correct. Now next what we want? Yes, diode. Yes, yes. One yes yes like that. Yes, yes, yes. Yes, yes. Correct only. Correct only. Yes, yes. Like that only. No problem. Yes, correct. That much it is correct, right? Now you can delete that one wire is there, right? Yeah, you give connection later. Okay. Yes. Yes, yes, correct. Correct, correct. Change the color to red. Then it will be no doubt. Red, red. Okay. No, just to close that, escape, you delete this. Just click on the, you delete that, yes. Just click on that green wire. Just click on green wire 1 second. Yeah. Yes. Now you take black, red, yes. Yes, now it is red, clear, yes. Now next what we want to do connection. Do you remember or I want to say? I will say that. I will say that. Yes, 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 that positive to the yes, yes, that positive part to the yes. Go no, not the down. Yes, yes, correct. Yes, that is correct. Yes. Now you want to do yes from there to diode part, diode positive part, down. Yes, correct. Yeah, you place it there. Yes, 1 second. Yes, that is correct. Yes, this much it is correct. Now what we want to do? Now we want to do black. Yes, you can change it to color to not green, black. You can yes, black. Yes. Now from yeah that side to some more down. Not there. delete that. You delete that. Then yes, yes. Come on. Yes, correct. That it is sitting there. 1 second. Yeah, yes, correct. That correct. Now next, you want to do from the this part, this negative part. Yes, that negative part also to that line. Anywhere you can do. Yes, anywhere. Yes, that yes, correct. Yes. Now from this other part also. Yes, that part also to the go down. Yes, that is correct. Now ammeter part there is one black, right? Yes, that to the diode part. Yes, not the up. Not the no, some more up. To the diode part. To yes, some more right side. Not that side. Opposite side. Yes, yeah, this diode part, not the some back left side. Just to go left, not that side. Opposite side. So go slow. Goes yes, some more. So this diode part, yes. That yes, you place that, no problem. Yes. Now you click on the start simulation. Yes. Now you can change this voltage. You can see that our ammeter and voltmeter is changing. Okay. Now what you want to do is you take a notebook. Okay. Your work is you first sit here. You write a book. Take a notebook. Measure. First you place it at 0 volt. Then you write down the reading at the ammeter and voltmeter. Clear?
Okay, sir.
Yes. Take a notebook. 3 columns will be there. One is power voltage. Voltage that will apply in the power source. Then what will be the ammeter reading and what will be the voltmeter reading. So you take 5 readings. Okay. Now first reading 0 volt. Now you take say 1 volt or 2 volt. Yes. Some other reading. Yes. Place it somewhere. Okay. Somewhere as you like. Okay. Yes, 2.60. Okay, anywhere you can place, no problem. Yes. Now you should take a notebook and write down the reading 1.85 milliampere, 5551 millivolt. Like that, when you write down in a notebook. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yes. You have written that value.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now next value. Yes. 10.3. Okay, that is enough. That is you are like yes. You are like yes. 4 volt. Okay. Place it there. Yes. Now write down this value 3.43 milliampere and 566 millivolt MV. Okay. You write that. Yes. Now you two reading.
Million.
Yeah, milli means it is a means a only small current is going through this. So ampere is a unit of current. So only small current. For representing that we are using this milli. This what is this milli and you will study in the higher classes. Okay. Yeah, just write that MA like that only you write. Detail you will study in the higher classes. Yes. Take the five values you take. Okay. That is your work.
Yes, sir. I wrote.
You have taken 5 values. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, this is our experiment. Okay. You have this is a circuit using this diode and you have taken the value. Okay. This is the experiment. Okay. You understand this?
Yes, sir.
Yes. You have any doubts?
No doubt, sir. I'm full clear, sir.
Full clear. Okay. Now next class we can study about different type of switches. Okay. That we can study in the next class. Okay, now it is almost time. So we can study that in the next class. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, now you can do the exercise as I told in the last class. You can do do something using resistor, LED, and we have done in the first class. You should do that. Okay, you daily you do it one time, then it will be very clear. Okay, one exercise you do one day. Okay, this today we have done this exercise, that is enough. Now tomorrow you do another one exercise that I told in the last class. Like that, daily you do one exercise, just one is enough. Don't want to do many, only one exercise, one example you want to do. Okay.
Sir,
Yes.
you told us that only we have to do.
But I didn't understand.
Sir, how?
Yes, tell me.
Sir, you tell no, sir. 3 exercises, sir.
Yes.
That 3 have to. I have to do, sir.
Yes. What you want to do is when you are free. When that means when you are free means for study. You have already studied that, right? But when you do one time only, you after some time you will forget that. So when you are free, so today you have done this. Today you don't want to do anything. So tomorrow you do one activity. Day after tomorrow another activity. So whenever you are free, you can do that. When you do that, then it will be clear. Then you will not forget that. Okay, that's why I told. Just for studying. Okay.
Okay, sir. Sir, you told us, sir, three, 4 activities. That one only we have.
Yes. That only. The activities that I told already. That only you want to do. Okay. Now we can stop today's session. It is clear, right? No doubts.
No doubt, sir.
Okay. Now you are try to do that exercises. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Then thank you. Bye.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Okay.